AAP leader Bhagwant Mann, who won the recently held Lok Sabha polls from the Sangrur parliamentary constituency, said that he would use his time in parliament constructively. Mann said that he would put forth the problems of people in parliament. He added that he was not going there to protest on every issue and boycott parliament every time. Mann added that if the government does good work, then he will appreciate them for it.
I'm not going to the parliament to sleep, to take off clothes, throw chili powder or watch MMS. I am going there to put forth the people's problems there. When I get time to speak there, I will make good use of it and speak for people's rights. I am not going there to protest or boycott on every matter. If the government does good work for the people, then I will even clap for them.
When asked about the controversy over BJP's decision to invite Pakistan PM Nawaz Sharif and Sri Lankan President Mahinda Rajapaksa, Mann said that it was BJP's decision to decide whom they wanted to invite. He said that our country believes in having good terms with everyone and problems can be solved only through discussions.
It is up to BJP to decide whom to invite and whom not to. Our country has always talked about maintaining amiable terms, and the problems of the country can be solved only by talking. So if they have invited people, then now it is up to the invites whether they want to attend or not.
Powered by NNIS.